This video is sponsored by Adobe.
Hi, I'm Myra Ferguson for CreativePro, and in this video I'd like to show you some ways to work with animated GIFs in InDesign. If you have a video that you'd like to add to your InDesign layout as an animated GIF, I'd recommend using the free Adobe Express Convert to GIF Quick Action. You can get to it through a search, or if you have Adobe Express open, click on the blue circle with the plus, select Quick Actions, Video, and Convert to GIF. Then add your video, select the size of GIF you want, and download. It's easy to place an animated GIF in InDesign. Just go to File, Place, and navigate to it. But whether it plays or not depends on how you plan to deliver your content that contains it. An animated GIF will play when you export to a fixed layout EPUB, InDesign's HTML5 output, and publish online. And your animated GIF will play in these types of output even if you use the frame in InDesign to crop your animated GIF. Where your animated GIF won't play is in an interactive PDF, but you can still get your animated GIF content to play there by using a video of the animated content instead. Because an animated GIF is optimized for the web, you'll likely get much better results if you have access to the original files that were used to create the animated GIF, such as a video, a Photoshop file with a frame-based timeline, or an After Effects composition. The animation in an animated GIF may look a little more choppy when it plays back because it usually has a much lower frame rate than video, 10 to 15 frames per second compared to 24 to 60. An animated GIF also has an extremely limited color palette compared to video, 256 colors versus millions. Most animated GIFs use a global color palette, so that means all the frames use those same 256 colors. But if you don't have access to the content that was used to create the animated GIF, you can easily convert it into an MP4. Just be aware that the conversion doesn't restore the loss in quality. One of the easiest ways to convert an animated GIF to a video that will play in a PDF is to use the Adobe Express free GIF to MP4 maker. From this site, you can get started by clicking Upload Your GIF to open a new Adobe Express document. First, change the dimensions of the Adobe Express document to match that of your animated GIF by clicking Resize. If you need to double-check your animated GIF's dimensions, navigate to it on macOS in the Finder, right-click it, and select Get Info, or on Windows, hover over it. In Adobe Express, enter the width and height. Make sure the check mark is set and click the blue Resize button at the bottom of the Resize panel. Close the Resize panel. In the Media panel, click Upload from Device and select your animated GIF. Then, click the Download button in the upper right of the screen. Make sure the file format is set to MP4 and use the video resolution that you entered. Then, download. Once your animated GIF is a video, you can place it in your InDesign document for your interactive PDF. I'm Myra Ferguson, and I hope this tip helps you add animated GIFs or the content from animated GIFs to your InDesign content.
Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to our channel. And for thousands more how-to articles and tutorials, visit our website, creativepro.com, and become a member today. Thanks for learning with us.